Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Research and Analysis. My name is Kamran. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create free animated videos for your YouTube channel. If you also want to create such animated videos, first you will need to open this website express.adobe.com. I will also provide the link of this website in my description of this video. And alternatively, you can also Google free animated Adobe videos, and from here you will need to open this website. Just open it, and here just click this option of make animations for YouTube. On this web page you will see three main options: character, background, and size. First, you will have to select a character. Here you can select any character from these given options. For example, we can also select this one. We can also make the changes in the size of the character based on our preferences and the requirements. So this is how you can resize your characters. And from the background, you can select any background from these given options. So here you can see the festival, mountains, islands, spring, winter, and so many. And then the final option is about the size. For instance, now our focus is on the YouTube, but if you have some other social media accounts, like you want to post your video on Facebook, Instagram, or like TikTok, so you can make your videos for any of the given social media accounts. Since in this video my focus is about the YouTube, so I am selecting YouTube. So once you are done with all these three options, so we are ready to start making our first animated video. Now I'm going to start making my animated video. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kamran. In this video, I will explain you the difference between regression and correlation analysis by using SPSS. So once you are done, you can just simply click done. So system will start working and it will take some time to create your animated video. So at this stage you just need to wait and see. My video is ready, so let's just play it. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kamran. In this video, I will explain you the difference between regression and correlation analysis. So I can just simply download and then I can upload this video on my YouTube channel. If I want to make any editing, I just need to click this back to editing, and from here I can also change the background and also the character, and you can do it at any stage. If you want to make an animated video using any existing audio, you can also do that by using this option of replace audio. Or even at the start, if you have any audio and by using that audio you want to make animated video, so at the start you just need to upload that audio, and then you will need to select the character, background, and size, and by using that audio you can also make your animated videos. So this is how you can create free animated videos for your YouTube channel. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.